cold and long. Your gentle love remains so strong. Every doubt that fills my mind falls behind. In the quiet of your grace, I feel your warmth in every place. Every fear begins to fade, unafraid. Strength is wearing thin. Your healing presence pulls me in. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You restore my weary heart, breathing life in every part. Every burden that I bear, you before my eyes, guide me every day, show the way. Echoes of grace come to me. When the world is loud and wide, your gentle whisper draws me inside. Every sound that brings me fear fades too clear. In the quiet of your peace, my restless thoughts begin to cease. Every battle I once knew turns to you. Your voice restores my heart and gives me a new start. All my doubts erased by your echoes of grace, soft and light. Fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment hurting you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. When my heart begins to break, your healing presence starts to wake. Every tear that falls unseen turns serene. Through the stillness of the night, your holy echoes shine with light. Every wound you start to mend as you send. Your voice restores my heart and gives me a new start. All my doubts erased by your grace. Echoes of grace, soft and light. Fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment hurting you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. Let your presence stay, guide me every day. Speak into my soul, make me whole. to me. Echoes of grace. River of light, shine through me. When the shadows crowd my view, your holy presence pulls me through. Every moment wrapped in fear disappears. In the stillness of your grace, your glowing mercy fills the space. Every part of me revive, you provide. Your light breaks through the night, restoring what's not right. Every darker place your gentle radiance invades every tremble in my soul. You console through the quiet of the dawn. Your holy glow keeps shining on. Every wound begins to mend. You defend. Your light breaks through the night, restoring what's not right. Every darker taste by your grace. River of light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash to me. When my heart is lost at sea, your gentle presence gives me every world but fear disappear through the stillness of the dawn. Your healing river song carries it to the sun of the divine. Your peace surrounds my soul, restores what dark has stolen. Every tear released in your peace. Fountain of peace, so soft and bright, fill my heart with holy light. Every drop that reaches me sets me free. Fountain of peace, deep and clear, wash away my every fear. In your love I stand, safe within your In the quiet of your grace, you calm the storms I cannot face. Every whisper that you speak makes me weak. You restore my weary mind. Your flowing mercy redefines. Every wound begins to fade as you stay. Your peace surrounds my soul, restores what dark has stolen. Every tear released in your peace. Fountain of peace, so soft and bright, fill my heart with holy light. Every drop that reaches me sets me free. Fountain of peace, deep and clear, wash away my every fear. In your love I stand, safe within your hand. Let your waters rise, healing where I lie. Guide my every breath, life from death. Fountain of peace, so soft and bright, fill my heart with holy of glory fall on me as the morning finds my soul. Your gentle presence makes me whole. Every whisper, soft and clear, says I'm here. Through the silence of the sky, your holy love begins to rise. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts release in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you waves of glory fall on me, waves of glory. When the night surrounds my soul, you speak a truth that makes me whole. Every shadow melts away as you stay. In the silence, soft and pure, your holy presence reassures. Every trembling fear I hold turns to gold. whisper of holiness. Light of heaven, shine on me when the night is cold and long. Your quiet presence keeps me strong. Every shadow fades from sight in your light. Gentle whispers fill the air. I feel your love already there. Every heartbeat starts to rise, sanctified. Your glory breaks the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. All my doubts undone by your Son. Light of heaven, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every moment that I breathe, I believe. Light of heaven, warm and true, let my spirit rest in you. Lead me through the night with your shining light. In the stillness of the dawn, your peaceful mercy lingers on. Every fear begins to break as I wake. You restore what I have lost. You calm the storms at any cost. Every tear you wipe away day by day. Your glory breaks the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. All my doubts undone by your Son. Light of heaven, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every moment that I breathe, I believe. Light of heaven, warm and true, let my spirit rest in you. gentle voice is what I seek. Every moment, every sigh, you are nigh. Through the silence of the night, your presence brings a holy light. Every burden starts to fall at your call. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace, so soft and true, fill my soul and make it new. Let your kindness overflow, let it grow. Breath of grace, you lift me high, hold me close and sanctify every step I take. By your love I in the morning's quiet air, I feel your mercy everywhere. Every shadow fades away as I pray. You revive what's lost inside, your healing waters gently guide. Every wound begins to mend in your hand. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace, so soft and true, fill my soul and make it new. Let your kindness In the quiet of the dawn, your holy whisper lingers on. Every fear that once held tight meets your light. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decreased by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make held for heaven's sake. When my soul grows tired and worn, your gentle love begins to form. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You revive the heart within. You break the chains of fear and sin. Every